Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to automatically share Instagram stories to Facebook. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Create a new story by tapping your profile picture or swiping right. Choose a photo or video from your device or take a new one. Customize your story and tap the arrow icon at the bottom right. Ensure your Instagram account is linked to Facebook. Below your story, tap the arrow icon at the bottom right. Ensure your Instagram account is linked to Facebook. Below your story, tap your story to share it. Your story will automatically post to your Facebook story if both accounts are linked. To confirm it is shared, go to your Instagram profile and tap the three lines at the top right. Scroll down and tap on Sharing and Remixes. Tap on See Apps to view connected apps. You will see Facebook listed here, indicating it is linked for automatic sharing. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.